Vikings sailing to England from Scandinavia brought horses, dogs, and perhaps even pigs with them, according to analysis of bone remains. The Norse invaders were previously thought to have stolen animals from villages in Britain instead of bringing their own. The findings also provide evidence Viking leaders had a close relationship with animals and travelled with them, experts believe. The 9th century bones were found in burial mounds in Heath Wood, Derbyshire, and the study was published in the journal PLOS I. Cremated animal and human remains were found buried together, suggesting the animals had a significant ritual meaning. They had been burned on the same funeral pyre as humans, doctoral researcher Tessie Loffelman from Durham University and Vrije Universiteit Brussels revealed. They were treated more like companion animals rather than just for economic purposes, she said. I find it really touching, and it suggests we underestimate just how important animals were to Vikings. Horses and dogs would have been transported on Viking longships across the perilous North Sea for several weeks before making landfall. Horses back then were smaller than horses are now, which could have made the journey a little bit more accommodating, but it was still probably wet and uncomfortable, the researcher said. Professor Julian Richards from the University of York, who co-directed the excavation, said, "The Bayeux tapestry depicts Norman cavalry disembarking horses from their fleet, but this is the first scientific demonstration that Viking warriors were transporting horses to England 200 years earlier." Norse mythology and 13th century sagas reveal how animals played a significant role in Norse life. The scientists also found a pig bone in Heath Wood, the only large Scandinavian cremation site in Britain, but this may have been a token or part of a game brought from Scandinavia rather than a live animal. Scientists discovered the animals had come from Scandinavia by analysing the strontium in their bones. The element occurs naturally in rocks, soil and water before making its way into plants, and then, when these are eaten, bones and teeth. Archaeologist Kat Jarman, who has worked at Heathwood but was not involved in the research, said using this technique on cremated bone was really exciting because many Viking burials used cremation. She said it has opened up a whole new avenue of evidence. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.